Good day, child of God. Acceleration of God's glory, recompense, restoration, and blessings are being poured out over God's faithful. The wicked will receive what they have sown, but God's children will receive back from all that the enemy has done in secret. The enemy's plans were to kill, steal, and destroy. Oh, but God's plans will overtake his own with miracles, signs, wonders, blessings, and the greatest harvest of souls this world has ever known. We must keep ready to be able to teach and spread the gospel of Jesus Christ to all of those in need. Do all that you can do for the glory of Jesus Christ. We will witness the salvation of millions of souls and prodigals. Many Sauls that will become Pauls. And remember, do not fear when the wicked are judged. Be ever more grateful of the sacrifice that Jesus paid for all who will call upon the name of the Lord and be saved. I pray this message will encourage you, strengthen you, and strengthen your faith in God. Be sure you are subscribed. Be sure to like, comment, and share. Welcome to Victoria Ruth 8. Be sure to go back and watch my videos and posts and shorts. It will help push my content out for more to see. Thank you, and God bless you. And I pray that you will return and that my channel will encourage you and inspire you to worship God, to love God, and to know that He has great plans for His people. Have a great day. God bless.